Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Amazon, complete guide step by step clearly. To invest in Amazon, begin by researching the company's background and its market position. Understand Amazon's business model, which encompasses e-commerce, cloud computing, streaming, and artificial intelligence. Next, assess your financial goals and investment strategy. Determine how much you can afford to invest in Amazon without compromising your financial stability. Open a brokerage account if you don't already have one, ensuring it offers access to Amazon shares. Research different brokerage options, focusing on fees, ease of use, and available resources. Once your account is set up, fund it with the amount you've decided to invest. Use your brokerage platform to search for Amazon's stock symbol, which is Amazon. Analyze the current stock price and market trends to make an informed investment decision. Consider using limit orders to buy shares at a specific price, which can help decide whether you want to invest a lump sum or adopt a dollar cost averaging strategy. If opting for dollar cost averaging, set a regular schedule for purchasing shares over time. Monitor your investment regularly to stay updated on performance and market conditions. Be prepared to adjust your investment strategy based on changes in Amazon's business outlook and stock performance. Lastly, stay informed about the company's earnings reports and news that may impact its stock value. By following these steps, you will be well equipped to invest in Amazon thoughtfully and strategically. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.